25 weight loss tips that are actually evidence based. Number 1. Drink water, especially before meals. Number 2. Eat eggs for breakfast. Number 3. Drink coffee, preferable black coffee. Number 4. Drink green tea. Number 5. Try intermittent fasting. Number 6. Cut back on added sugar. Number 7. Eat less refined carbs. Number 8. Go on a low carb diet. Number 9. Use smaller plates. Number 10. Exercise portion control or count calories. Number 11. Keep healthy food around in case you get hungry. Number 12. Take probiotic supplements. Number 14. Eat spicy foods. Number 15. Do aerobic exercise. Number 15. Lift weights. Number 16. Eat more fiber. Number 17. Eat more vegetables and fruits. Number 18. Get good sleep. Number 19. Beat your food addiction. Number 20. Eat more protein. Number 21. Supplement with wild protein. Number 22. Don't do sugar drinks including soda and fruit juice. Number 23. Eat whole single ingredient foods. Number 25. Don't diet, eat healthy instead. If you like this video, so please share with friends and press the subscribe button. Take care. Bye bye.